I'm on the road now to pick up my CoPart car. So I'm in my Silverado truck. So I'm going to try this. Actually putting the bike in the back of the truck and strapping it down and see how well does that work. There's some pluses and minuses, with buying something from CoPart. Was not expecting to have to go pick up the car. I wasn't expecting to have to go pick up the bike. But I went through I don't know how many transporters, and no one wanted to go and pick up the bike. I even put an offer out there for $1,000, which is a lot of fucking money, at least in my eyes. But then eventually I just said, all right, well, forget it. I'll just go get it myself. It's not like it's around the corner. It's all the way in Colorado. Bad move on my part. I should have known better, but I didn't think I was going to have a problem transporting it. So here we are, hitting the road, and it's gonna take a while to get over there. But anyway, first nothing. Anyway, I'm on my way. Well, finally made it here to CoPart to pick up the car. Of course, I went to check into a cheap motel because it took longer to get here than I expected. Ran into so much traffic and stuff, and every cheap hotel was sold out. Imagine that. So I ended up booking at the Marriott. So nice room. After the crazy drive I had getting here, I could use a good night's sleep. Well, finally on my way to CoPart. Had a few issues this morning. 3 of the 4 ratchets that I had were broken. They were new, so I only looked at one, only to realize that the other 3 were broke. The locking mechanism wasn't even there, so I had to run back to the store. So it should be there in 3 minutes. So we'll see. Thanks, guys.
In a quarter of a mile, you'll arrive.
Alright, we're here. CoPart. Yeah, let me see, where do you go?
You've arrived at your destination.
Grab your shit. at CoPart now, standing here dying in this mask, but they make you put the mask on, which is fine. So, you know, something else you have to remember, you know, when you come in, pick up whatever it is from CoPart, you know, you have to, you know, scan the QR code, at least for this one. I guess they go in and check and make sure that everything is paid and everything, and which lot you're picking up, so they can go and grab it and bring it out to you. So we'll keep you posted and see what's the story. But they got a lot of stuff here. Something else too I didn't realize. The CoPart that I so happen to be at, they have a few locations here. So when you go and you check in, make sure you select the right lot. Of course, I selected the wrong lot, but that's all right. Correct it, standing here waiting. All right, heading in. So I got the title and everything. I didn't schedule my pickup. I thought you could just roll in and come get it, but you actually have to use their app and schedule it. But no harm, no foul. Plenty of stuff. When I drove in, I passed the bikes. I already saw it, so I'm assuming they'll be bringing it soon. We'll drop it into the back of here, strap it down, and get on the road. Did a quick little stop for gas. I'm checking all the tie downs. So this guy looks good. I got it on the back tire, just in case it slides backwards. And got it here too. Not super tight, but tight enough. That's good. Then I got it tied down to the frame. So that's good. And then I have it tied down to the fork. I didn't put it up here on top because I didn't want to compress the shock. So shout out to Bikes and Beards on this one, and shout out to Laidlaw, Matt Laidlaw. I checked out their videos and kind of used what they said. I doubled it up, you know, down here on the fork and up here, because I just wasn't sure. And you know, this is the first time I'm transporting a bike in a truck, pickup truck, so I wasn't sure. The only thing that I could have did was I could have had the guy straighten this out more, because it's literally right up against the bed. So it'll probably have a little scratch in the bed, but that's okay. It is what it is. But this is a 2015 Street Glide. Doesn't seem like it had a lot of damage. Doesn't seem like it had a lot of damage. Looked like they laid it down on the other side because that bag was scratched. And you can see this was kind of scratched up too. But other than that, I mean, it's not too bad. Then, you know, this needs to be probably changed, I guess, but I'll figure that out later. But anyway, just wanted to show you where we are. I forgot. And over here. So you can see that light is broke. That mirror up there is broke. Okay, that does stay closed. This mirror is broke. I gotta see what's going on with the throttle. There's some mini apes on here. And broke right back here. Little crack. Look at that, made in China. Nice. But a new front fairing. New one of these pieces. Well, that just came right off. And we see the light is broke. But it didn't look like there was any damage to the forks. So we'll see. So, oh, I guess a little dent here, but that's no biggie. So, and just for folks who don't know, when you transport these bikes, just put the bike in transport mode, so that way your lights don't be flashing the whole way, and then when you're done, your battery's dead. Anyway, see you in the next time. One more gas stop. Well, I shouldn't say one more. Another. Just checking the tie downs. Everything is still tight. That's real tight. That's good. That's good. That's good. That looks good. Had to pull over. Just tie it. So there's the joint there. So I'll just pull over to some spot just to catch some Z's, since I've been pushing it and pushing it and pushing it. The standard roadside joint. That's it, we out. And check out tires. Okay, all tires look good. So it's time for us to hit the road. Bunch of hours left to drive. Alright, finally made it back. What a long journey. I will never ever do that again. Never ever. But it's all in there. Nice and good. So I'll hook up the ramp and then I'll get it down. Alright, stay tuned. I'll be back. Alright, this is the first startup. We had a hell of a time getting it off the truck.